Newliners, Lauren here. Today, we're going to explore Whiteboard and how you can utilize the Tools tab for tools such as rulers and visualizer. Once you're in Whiteboard, on the bottom left-hand corner, you will see 3 horizontal dots. When you tap on that, you will see there are 4 tabs here. It auto-populates to the Add tab with the plus sign. You're going to locate the Tools tab that's one to the right of Add and tap on it. Underneath Tools, you will see 2 buttons. One is for rulers and one is for visualizer. First off, in rulers. When you tap on this, you will see different rulers listed here. You can utilize these on top of things such as our graph paper. And anywhere you see the blue line, you can write on top of it. So let's say I want the line to be green. I can write on top of there, and it will come through when I move the ruler to the side. For these rulers, oftentimes you can resize them like this one. When you're finished, somewhere on the ruler, you will find an X to exit out of the ruler. In addition to a traditional ruler, we do have some more advanced math, such as a protractor and things like this. So let's say I take something a little more advanced here. I do want to show you that you can change a couple of the different settings. So on the inside of each of these rulers, you'll see an options for different angles or different sides. In this case, I'm going to tap that until I see the option I want for angles. In this case, I want it to show me the angle and show me the degree of the angle. I can tap it again for it to give me a different choice and tap it again for it to give me more. Remember, when you're finished, you simply move away the ruler and ta-da! You have your angles with their measurements, whether they're filled in or not, here on your line. Again, you can access these through the 3 buttons of fun where it says rulers. Now let's take a look at using visualizer within Whiteboard. From the Whiteboard in the bottom left-hand corner, again, you're going to the 3 horizontal dots. When you tap on that, you will see 4 tabs across the top. You want the one that says Tools. Just now, we reviewed the rulers. Now we're going to take a look at Visualizer. The Visualizer app can be utilized with any document camera or webcam plugged directly into your panel. In this case, I have the Newline document camera plugged directly into the USB port in the front. So you will see I have a document for one of our panels there underneath the document camera. I can also move this around the whiteboard by utilizing the lasso tool here on the bottom. It's the one that looks like a little rope. When I tap that and lasso the visualizer screen, I can move that up here into the upper left or right-hand corner, and then I can take notes right alongside whatever lab or document I'm utilizing underneath my document camera or webcam. Both of these tools for rulers and visualizer is super helpful in your classroom or conference room. Hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.